A complete guide, how to feed a baby, tips and techniques for new parents. Congratulations on becoming new parents. Feeding your baby is an important and exciting part of parenthood. In this complete guide, we'll share valuable tips and techniques to help you navigate the wonderful world of feeding your little one. Breastfeeding Basics. Breast milk is the best nutrition for newborns. Here are a few important things to keep in mind. Proper latch. Ensure your baby is latching correctly to establish a good milk supply and avoid discomfort. Frequent feeding. Newborns have small stomachs, so they require frequent feedings, about every 2 to 3 hours. Stay hydrated. Remember to maintain your own hydration levels to support milk production. Bottle-feeding essentials. When breastfeeding isn't an option, bottle feeding can be a great alternative. Here's what you need to know. Sterilization. Thoroughly clean bottles, nipples, and other feeding accessories to prevent the risk of contamination. Formula preparation. Follow instructions carefully when preparing formula to ensure correct measurements and hygiene. Feeding cues. Watch for signs of hunger, such as rooting, sucking on fists, or lip smacking. Introducing solid foods. Around 6 months, your baby will be ready for solid foods. Here's how to make a smooth transition. Start with single foods. Begin with simple, pureed foods like mashed bananas or sweet potatoes, introducing one food at a time to watch for any allergies. Gradual introduction. Slowly increase the variety of foods and textures, while continuing to provide breast milk or formula for proper nutrition. Be patient. It may take several tries for your little one to accept new flavors and textures. Mealtime strategies. As your baby grows, mealtime can become quite an adventure. Here are a few strategies to make it a positive experience. Create a routine. Establish a regular feeding schedule to help your baby develop healthy eating habits. Make it fun. Use colorful utensils, playful bibs, and engaging toys to create a positive mealtime environment. Explore self-feeding. Encourage your baby to try self-feeding with age-appropriate finger foods, promoting independence and fine motor skills. Understanding allergies and intolerances. Food allergies and intolerances can be a concern for parents. Here's what you need to know. Common allergens. Be aware of common allergenic foods like peanuts, eggs, and cow's milk. Introduce them one at a time and watch for any adverse reactions. Consult a pediatrician. If you suspect your baby has a food allergy or intolerance, seek professional advice for proper diagnosis and guidance. Allergen preparation. Take necessary precautions when preparing meals if you have a family history of allergies, such as avoiding cross-contamination. Mealtime challenges and solutions. Feeding your baby may come with its fair share of challenges. Here are some common ones and how to overcome them. Picky eating. Offer a variety of foods, and remember that it's normal for babies to refuse certain foods several times before accepting them. Food refusal. If your baby refuses to eat, don't force it. Try again later or offer a different food item. Mealtime distractions. Minimize distractions during meals to encourage focus on eating. Remember, every baby is unique, and their feeding journey may vary. Trust your instincts as a parent and enjoy this precious time together. Want to learn more? Visit our website.